Here I will show you how to connect WooCommerce to Shiptheory. Select WooCommerce from one of our many integrations. When entering your store URL and pressing Connect, you will be redirected to log into your WooCommerce store and then approve the connection. Once this has been done, you can start editing your settings page to meet your shipping habits. So that your tracking number URLs work, you need the official WooCommerce shipment tracking plugin. Select Yes if you already have this, or click the link to download it onto your store. Input your order trigger status. This is the status you want your orders to be in for Shiptheory to recognize and pull through as ready to book shipments. Select which unit of measurements you have selected in WooCommerce. Make sure you hit Save and then head to your advanced settings. Here, choose your order completed status. Map a meta field for your shipping date, whether you want tax deduction or shipping tax deduction automatically deducted. Turn on your gift message download, custom fields to modify phone and email billing details. Below this, you'll be able to see the shipping methods you have set up in your WooCommerce store, and a section to set up custom tracking too. At the bottom is where you map your customs information, so the data required for your international import and export docs can be electronically generated for your carrier. Once you've completed everything you need, you'll be ready to start sending your shipments from WooCommerce into Shiptheory.